Hello fans and worshippers, this is Domina Mara, and welcome back to my channel. It is August, which is my official birth month. If you've been wondering what to gift me, here's a wonderful new way to do so while staying on YouTube. But before we get to that juicy news, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications by hitting that bell so that you know when I have fresh videos out next. I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, and I live stream on Sunday afternoons to evenings. Since live streaming is based off of my personal availability, you must be subscribed in order to find out when. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Mara Domina for daily updates. I'll be talking about my YouTube membership tiers shortly and how to view it on mobile if you have an iPhone, so watch all the way to the end. All right, YouTube has rolled out a new feature called Super Thanks. Yay! You know how every premiere and live stream has the ability for you, my viewers, to tip me with either a colorful super chat or a cute animated super sticker? Well, now you can go back to any of my past videos and or live streams, and if you enjoyed them so much that you've rewatched them multiple times, give me a thanks. The icon is a heart with a $ in the middle, and it is located under the playing video, sandwiched between the share and saved buttons. On mobile, you have to slide the like and share buttons over to view it. You can select up to 4 levels of thanks. After tipping, you will get a highlight on your name with an animated thanks on that video as long as that video is up. Note that few of my restricted videos will sadly not have this option. Super Thanks is visible for all smartphones. However, I found a drawback to using iOS, which I will get to in a second. For all new subscribers, as a reminder, to my loyal followers, I currently have 2 tiers for memberships. The $4.99 tier rewards you with Amara emojis, which is a loyalty badge of my face next to your name on live chat, which upgrades depending on how long you are a member. And you also get access to my unique kinky emojis that I have designed and created myself. The more members I collect, the more Mara emojis I will design. The $9.99 tier, Mara Hegao, rewards you with all previous perks, including super exclusive fit pics and videos that are by request from members, and these will not be available for viewing outside of YouTube, even on my OnlyFans. Okay, so now to iPhone users. One caveat to using YouTube on iPhone is there's no join button to select which membership tiers you want. Apple has a 30% fee policy for all purchases via apps downloaded onto their phones, unfortunately, including YouTube. YouTube also takes a fee from all tips and memberships, but it is their platform, and this is a small way they do make their money besides ad revenue. Back to the iPhone. To bypass the lack of join button on the app or on a generic browser, you will need to download Chrome if you haven't already. Log into your Google account through Chrome, go to youtube.com/DominaMara, search for these 3 dots on your screen, also known as a meatball menu, yummy, and scroll to select Request Desktop Site. It will reload what you see on a desktop computer or your laptop, and the join button will now appear to the left of the subscribe button. So there you have it. This was a short and sweet video to share what's new for creators such as myself here on YouTube. Look out for my Dom anniversary video coming this Saturday, as well as birthday celebrations in the weeks to come. Subscribe and click that notification bell so that you know when these new videos are released. Join my membership tiers to support me if you love my work. Follow my social media at Mara Domina, and until next time, be safe, have fun, and keep it kinky, everyone. Man, I haven't worn this top since before quarantine, and I'm actually wearing it backwards, but I really love it.